Hey, Ben here with Studio on the Lake. This is the watercolor section. So, what are we going to do? We're going to do it in a pretty relaxed manner. We're going to take basic watercolor techniques, tips. We're going to paint some cards. We're going to paint some landscapes. And I'm going to take you all the way through from the beginner up onto the intermediate, and then if we get a little further down the series and you folks are asking for that, we may even do some stuff that's a little bit more advanced. But you're going to get watercolor tips, techniques, basics, everything about watercolor. And I'm going to present it in the same manner that I do my wood carving channel over there, and it's just an addition to that. Most of you came here probably from the wood carving channel. Several of you probably did not. So if in either case, I would ask that you subscribe. Always click like if you like any of the videos, and share those. And by all means, leave me a comment on what you'd like to see. Hey, thanks a lot. This has been Ben with Studio on the Lake.